This is my car, and there's a snowstorm going on right now. Hopefully clears up soon, and I can just hammer it home. I'm gonna give this a shot. Alright, so it snowed last night, meaning I have to do the only sensible thing that I can do with this car. Gas lights on. That's normal in this car if you haven't learned. But that is head up to the mountains to snowplow, I guess would be the best way to put it. The car isn't warmed up yet, so I'm taking it easier for now. It's getting more snowy. Just clip that off. Oh, got a dip. Gate's closed. I didn't get as far as I wanted to. It's probably for the best. Now, hopefully I can get out of here. Oh no. We've got more cars coming. I don't know if I'm able to get out of here. Cars are parking right there, and I don't have enough room to back up, and it's too far to back up all the way. And I'm on summer tires. And it's on all icy right now. If I slide, I'm hitting a car, or I'm going off-roading a little bit. Oh shoot, got another truck coming. Why is there so many people up here? There's a big drop right there. There's a truck right here. Snow plowing. I've gotta go get gas now. I'm at 5 miles of range, and looks like I gotta hurry. It's starting to sprinkle just a little bit. I don't know if you can see, but this is my car, and there's a snowstorm going on right now. I knew it was coming. I just wanted to get some gummy bears, and I found myself stuck a couple blocks away from my house. And now I'm just waiting for snowplow. Looks like it's actually clearing up, so if a snowplow could come, I think I could get home. It didn't do as good as it did last year in snow, but it did alright. I got stuck on a hill, took off traction control and just hammered it up. And I'm sure that was cool for the guys shoveling, but and then now I'm stuck here, hoping nobody slides into my car, which this guy looks kind of close. Oh, that's scary. He can't keep it straight. I'm debating if I should pull my car onto one of these driveways, because I did see somebody pull out of this house, and I might just sneak up there, because I don't think they're getting home anytime soon. When I was over there, my car did slide into a curb. If he went the other way, he would have hit me. At least people enjoy the car. That guy's head's about out the window. This is too bad. Literally 2 minutes ago, I have pictures. I'll show you the pictures. It was just dry. I saw another I saw another Audi R8 on my way down. I wonder how he's doing. Got a group of cars right here. front-wheel drive Corolla. Oh. Not a good place to be. I think so. He just hit up there. Good behind me. I don't think he hit hard. Oh, car's backing out. Hopefully a snowplow will be coming here shortly. They're pretty quick in my city. I'm hoping one of these houses will come and talk to me, and I could ask them if I can park in our driveway. Maybe we'll show the driveway as a little exchange and a thank you. Looks like I got a group of cars coming up here. I don't really want to be in my car, even though it's probably the safest place to be. But I don't want to be in the car if it gets hit. So if a car comes and hits me, I think this is my protection. Hopefully it clears up soon, or a snowplow, and I can just hammer it home. I can't believe this happened. This is the second time this happened. But my fault. I have snow tires, and to be honest, I haven't been treating them nicely, so it's all on me. Hopefully it'll clear up and a snowplow will come. Is that another car stopping for me? Maybe this is their driveway. Oh, he lives here. She lives here. This nice lady helped me get into her driveway, so I'm gonna let her help her shovel. And I'm abandoning my baby. Let's see if this car can make it. Oh, see, here comes another snowplow. And there's a truck. Oh, see? That's a Mazda. See, that car's sliding into the driveway. Oh, that car just crashed. Got another car sliding down. I'm not sure what I can do to help. Alright, well, I'm gonna give this a shot. Roads aren't completely better, but they are. I'm not going to take this out for a bit. Got leaves all over it too because I parked under a tree. Alright, it is the next day now, and as you can see, my car is filthy. I left the window down so moisture didn't build up inside, and I wiped off the roof so there's lots of spots. I definitely need to get that probably washed. It's pretty much camouflage. There's water everywhere in my garage, so I need to squeegee that out. Well, that's going to be it. Glad the car's back safe, and I'm glad I'm back safe. I guess I'll see you guys next time.